Hey there, this is Dan from AMS, and today we'll speak about 7 tips on building an iOS application from scratch. Apple is one of the world's leading business platforms. In fact, it is the richest company with a market cap of 1.3 trillion. Owing to its exclusiveness, developing an application for iOS can incur a huge profit. When it comes to mobile apps, meeting Apple standards is a tough grind. Luckily, our foolproof tips have got you covered. Check out the 7 key tips before building an iOS application from scratch. Number 1. Target the user's interests. It is fairly possible for your app to turn invisible with millions of applications on the App Store today. Therefore, aim at solving a problem that your target audience faces on a daily basis with your developed app as its one-step solution. Number 2. Recognize your competitors. Before developing the application, inspect upon other apps similar to your niche. The goal is to ease the audience's job with a workable app that overpowers its competitors. Instead of adhering to the conventional concepts, rethink, refresh, and revamp your model to develop something they've never seen before. Number 3. Furnish the UI. Create an excellent UI for your app by carefully planning your design. Remember, the brand is notorious for its attention to its slightest intricacies. Hence, place all your bets on the finest quality if you want to churn out profitable outputs. Number 4. Take your time. As of 2020, Apple Stores features around 3 million apps. If your application appears to have been cobbled together hurriedly, brace yourself to face rejection. The company acts as a doorkeeper to filter the best apps from the amateur ones. So make sure to devote sufficient time and skills to develop a 4-star worthy application. Number 5. Give it your best shot. Developing an app for the most popular platform in the world can be intimidating yet within reach. Create the best application that you can by setting it apart from others. Number 6. Keep space for future iterations. Always keep a window open for enhancement based on user feedback and ever-changing requirements. Number 7. Compatibility with all iOS renditions. Develop your app considering the people who still use the old iOS versions. If your application is not compatible with all the renditions, it may drop a margin of users. The Messenger app on Facebook is a great example. A good application can get you a momentous amount of profit and success. So follow the tips and make a smart move. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to shoot me a message if you have any questions or an app concept on your mind. And see you in the next video.